Hey guys, I'm Mark. I've been with Johnnie Walker for 25 years and I'll take you through one of my favorite products. It's the North Trail. So the North Trail, we always suggest test toes because they always tow so well. Take a look at the tire story. This is a wide track suspension. Most tires are so close together you don't have the same wheelbase and length ratio as the North Trails, so your weights balance more, so it's a better tow down the road. And then the North Trail uses a 6-gauge aluminum. What I mean by that is a lot of coaches say they're aluminum frame, but they only have 2 of their sidewalls are aluminum frame. The rest is wood. And so you have a heavy part at the top when you're trying to tow. The North Trail, the whole thing's aluminum, so it's welded together. You're not trying to screw wood and aluminum together. And because it's so aluminum all the way around, you have a higher percentage of weight beneath the floor than any other brand. That, with a wide track suspension, gives you the best tow. Now, let's come inside. They only put 2 stickers on the outside pretty much. A 2-inch thick wall, which is important because most people never ask. Normally on short coaches, anything below 30 feet, it's an 1.5-inch wall. And this is an Azdel sideboard, which is impervious to mold. It's a much better insulating wall. It's the strongest wall. It's just like a regular motorhome. Now let's go inside. The North Trail does not put ducts in the floor. So it's one of the strongest floors in the industry. You're not going to get any give. And when you don't get that give, you're not going to have issues with your appliances. When you have a North Trail and you never had any warranty issues, it's not because you got lucky, because they actually put a better floor in. And you don't have the heat ducts to weaken the floor. Also, you have ducted air, and in this floor plan, the most counter space in a small one. That's why we chose this one. This is only 22 feet. And you've got a ton of counter space, a great place to watch TV, a walk-around king bed. You know, you'll choose yourself the floor plan you like, but construction to construction, if you take the names off and just did thickness of sidewall, aluminum versus wood, foam versus fiberglass, and this wide track suspension versus a regular, I challenge you to find anything made that stands up to North Trail. And thank you. My name is Mark. My number is 702-202-9795. Thanks.
Thank you, Mark.